We look forward to a partnership that will go beyond 2022 elections because we see the value in having this partnership that will help to build a culture of peace, particularly related to elections. It is rather, therefore, a journey which we are committed to take to ensure the peace and the cohesion of our people and to establish a firm and a cohesive foundation for future generations of Kenyans.
Kenya is such a peaceful country most of the time, and this is where we come in, saying we want it to stay that way. So since I arrived, we've been talking about the elections this year and what can we as the EU do to support the process of Kenya having peaceful elections.
We are determined to play our role to ensure and demand that no Kenyan suffers. And more importantly, to tell everyone it is useless for this country for anyone to die on account of a mere general election. We shall keep vigil of all political activities actors, including holding accountable in all the institutions challenged with the responsibility for ensuring peaceful elections and transitioning it from the current to the next dispensation in a way that does not disrupt the lives of our families.